everyone, in this video we are going to see the divisibility rule concept. Divisibility rule concept is the particular number which is divisible by 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and all. So each and every number have the sum of the rules. We can see one by one. So here test of divisibility rule for 2 is the last digit should be your even number. The last digit should be your even number, hence 0, 2, 4, 6, 8 and so on. So, divisibility rule for 3 is sum of its digit should be divisible by, sum of its digit should be divisible by 3. Example 3, 6, 9. So 3 plus 6 is 9, 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 is the divisible 18 is divisible by 3, or else it is another name of, it is the multiple of 3. Hence the whole given number is divisible by 3. So and the divisibility rule for 4 is the last 2 digits should be divisible by 2. So if it is 2 means we want to check the last digit alone. If it is 4 means we need to check last 2 digits. Now rule for 5 is last digit should be 0 or 5. And divisibility rule for 6 is that number should be divisible by both 2 and 3. So we already know the rule of divisibility rule of 2 as well as divisibility rule of 3. And divisibility rule of 7 is example 3, 4, 3. This number which is divisible by 7 or not means take down your last unit digit value 34. Now 3 into 2 is 6. So 3 2s are 6. 34 minus 6 is 28. Hence 28 is divisible by 7. So hence divisibility rule for 7 is you want to take down your last digit. That last digit should be into 2. That value should be subtracted from the remaining part. The end of the result should be divisible by 7. Okay. And divisibility rule for 8 is you want to check last 3 digit. You want to check last 3 digit, that 3 digit should be divisible by 8. So divisibility rule for 9. It is similar to divisibility rule of 3. What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of its digits should be divisible by 3, and similarly here sum of its digits should be divisible by 9. Example 9, 7, 1, 2, 3. So 9 plus 7 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3. 3 plus 2, 5, 6, 6, 15. 15 plus 7, 22. 22 is not a divisibility of 9. So hence it is not divisible by 9. Divisibility rule of 10 is the last digit should be your 0. And divisibility rule of 11 is sum of odd places value. Sum of odd places value difference sum of even place values. The difference should be either divisible by 11 or it is 0. Then the whole given number is divisible by 11. Okay. Example for divisibility rule of 11 is, for example, 1, 4, 3, 5. What is odd place value here? 1 and 3, 4. What is even place value here? 4 plus 5, 9. 4 difference 9 is 5. 5 is not a divisible of 11. Hence, the whole number is does not divisible by 11. Okay, these are the very important test of divisibility rules for given numbers. So based on these rules, we are going to solve some of the problems. The test of divisibility rule is very important while doing your simplification questions and all, as well as your number system questions and all. Thank you for watching.